Hello again, YouTube. This is an unboxing video of a really cool thing. It's called a Koolatron vending fridge. It's basically a mini vending machine. So let's go ahead and get it open. This is my birthday gift. It was supposed to get here between the 10th and 13th on Amazon, and it came today. I ordered it on the 2nd. It is the 5th. Some hard tape to open. Other than that, there's just a lot of packing under it. Always be careful when you're doing something like this. I saw a Koolatron unboxing for something else, and there was no packing material in there at all. It looks like there's a little packing material in here. I'm going to go ahead and ditch the knife real quick before I accidentally cut myself. Remove cap. Yeah, looks like it's pretty protected. Got that. I got the blue one, as you saw from the front. Maybe I need the knife again. Looks used for some reason. I don't know why. And now I'm realizing that I'm going to have to put the camera down to pull it out of the package. It's a big machine. So I'm gonna set you down over here. Actually, I can build a tripod for you just to sit there and see in the front. Okay, so this is very heavy. Ooh. I cannot get this thing out. I'm gonna have to put it on the floor. Hold on. I'll put it back up there. Okay, so very big unit, way bigger than I intended to see. Just ginormous, absolutely ginormous. Looks like it also comes with a power cord, which, with my luck, is inside the fridge, which you open with that button. And there's the power cord. Ooh. Yep, so that's open. There's a machine. There's the water basin. There's the power cord. That looks to be everything. I'm going to go ahead and end the video. This coin on my cover. I don't know why there's no coin collector on this unit. But I think that's just a problem all of them have had. They've all come out like that. It's not really a problem as much as that's how it came out of the factory. I'm going to go ahead and put some sodas in here, test it out. I'll make another video of this soon. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Close it up so you can see it again. Look here. Have a soda display. Koolatron label. A lot of people. I actually think if I flip this sticker backwards, there's another sticker on it that... No, some people have been getting stickers with it that say out of order. Alright, well, thanks for watching, YouTube. It's an unboxing video of the Koolatron vending fridge.